Eating during play. Today is Sacred Saturday, 16 August 2025. I have a bag. I'm doing another dried mango bag. This one's a 6-ounce bag of Trader Joe's brands. Cost me $2.49. And I'm Tanis, she, her, hers of Seattle. And the game of play today is Nancy Drew, the Shattered Medallion 2014 game. And I'm going to do, during play, I'm to have taken the character Nancy Drew. She's on a reality television show in the game. Investigating and playing the game, and it's set in New Zealand. And so they have, in the Puzzle Palace, there's a few different games that can be played to earn points for the team, which counts towards the team ranking on the reality television TV show. So I'm going to play a game called Raid, which is a type of board game that I continue to suck at. I'm not very good at it. So I get to be the turquoise colored, like the play piece is turquoise color. My Brad Pitt is the yellow play piece, and then my Lewis Hamilton is the black play piece. And so it like, alright, so I got a challenge from my Brad Pitt. And I won! Alright. It's like, so, it's been really confusing, so that's why I've decided to highlight it. There's 3 different players. I'm going to challenge my Lewis Hamilton. And it's like a trading card game meets a board game. I won. They're being nice. They're being gentlemen. They don't play like this when I'm not filming a video. That's right, even on easy mode. Oh, now they're battling each other. Lewis Hamilton wins. So, the game has different colors. The different colors of the game, like the game board, have different meanings. And there are different shapes. And the shapes have different meanings. And then there are cards. And you can either stay on the same square, move forward, or move backwards. I just won against my Lewis Hamilton. Did he challenge me? And like it's really a frustrating game. Sometimes I go forwards a lot. He won. Lewis Hamilton won. I think that's right. And sometimes it sends me backwards like a quarter of the entire board game. I still don't know what the shapes mean all the time. This is a stack. Alright, challenging my Brad Pitt on red. And each of the cards has 4 different colors. And get challenged on the colors. I'm shaking my head. I'm still trying to figure it out. Green this time. I'm playing a donkey with a 9. Against Lewis Hamilton, who plays a farmer with a 12, so he wins. I'm currently in 2nd place, behind Lewis Hamilton and ahead of Brad Pitt. This is chewier. Meaning more dried than the Enjoy brand. Alright. I'm challenging this Hamilton. Orange with a 15. A mirror. He played a donkey with a 12. I won. That's right. I'm a control freak. I'm a prude. I like my mirror. I think Brad Pitt is his mom. Nope. It was Hamilton against Brad Pitt. Brad Pitt's challenging me. Is it? Yeah. No. I don't know. Alright. No. 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 I just took a card. I thought I was challenging somebody. And I gave the card to the deck and it was my highest card. You need the hot cards to win. Give up. No, I won't give up. This is a 99 out of 100. Thank you for joining me.